I want you to go ahead and just appreciate women in your life, your wife, your mom, sister who are mothers. Appreciate them.
I could have been nowhere today without my mother.
Mommy, I love you, and thank you for loving me and caring for me and putting up with me. And I pray that God continues to bless you and keep you and give you long life until I have my own children. Thank you.
When you were pregnant, that first baby, the feel that you will soon become a mother, that puts joy inside of you.
Mothers are blessed because last night I woke up I only slept at 6 a.m. Sorry. And my wife does that every day because she has to feed the kid.
I want to give a shout out to my mom who gave birth to me, my wife who has been taking care of me for the past 12, 13 years, my daughter who has been spending my money, but I have to work hard for her.
And I really appreciate my sisters, my mother-in-law, and every single woman out there staying strong for the kids.
That's it.
We love you all no matter who you are, no matter where you are, single, married. As long as you're a woman and you are a mother, you know, we just want to say Happy Mother's Day.
The strength they have to do what they do is supernatural. A man cannot do it.
Mom, I want to say thank you for everything that you've done for me, for believing in me, for supporting me.
I don't know how to describe the role you play in our life. I just want to say Happy Mother's Day to every mother out there. Oshe, Matt.
To be my listening ear and prayerful mother and a best friend in my life. She's in there.
Hey, Mom, I want to thank you for all the ass whoopings, you know what I'm saying? I'm out of jail. I'm not in jail right now because of them ass whoopings.
We call my mom Onigo.
Thank you to all mothers, all women that are mothers, that are doing a great job. I mean,
So thank you for flogging me. Thank you for the time you poured hot water on me. No worry, I didn't call Child Protective Services, you know, but everything worked out, you know.
So Onigo, wherever you are, I love you so much. You know, she molded me to the man I am today, so I love women, you know. And I respect them also.
King Solomon said in one of his contemplations that a good woman builds a house and a foolish woman tears hers down with her hands. So every time you see a woman who is building, it's a wise woman.
most especially to my beautiful wife for what you've done for the kids, taking care of them while I'm away. I'm away now, and you're taking care of them. You guys are awesome. God will bless you, increase you in wisdom, understanding, and strengthen you the more. God bless you all. Have a great Mother's Day.
And for every woman you see who has been able to stay with a successful man, you're seeing a woman who understands things that a lot of women do not. She understands what my father used to call stooping to conquer.
If you're single, working 3 jobs, it doesn't even matter. Everybody just,
Right,
we're doing, it's only we can do it like we do it. Men can't be us and we can't be men.
Okay.
So let's just bask in all our motherly glory.
No matter how beautiful you are, no matter how educated you are, there's a degree to which if you're married to a man who is on purpose, a man who is destined,
Right.
You will have to swallow pride many times.
If you talk to my wife anyhow in my presence, you can lose your nose. So, yes. This my hand can take your nose away. So.
From the day you start giving birth, you get push gift, you get mother's gift, you get women's gift, you get everything. But we love you all the same. And one good thing about being a mother is the ability to care for people. Because even the husband you're married to, you still care for them. So kudos to all mothers. We love you. Please don't stop loving us and don't stop being our mothers.
I respect and love women. Happy Mother's Day to all the women out there.
So for all the women who've done that and who are staying with a king and who are supporting the king and the family,
Right.
God bless you. You're a powerful woman. And the irony of the thing is that a lot of power rests with you.
Right.
If only you knew. So happy Mother's Day.
I just want to say Happy Mother's Day to you, and I wish you all the best, and thank you for always being there for me and caring for me. Happy Mother's Day.
I'll do anything for you, Mama. I will love you forever.